Hello, welcome back to my channel. I make videos on travel, beauty, fashion and luxury, and I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. So today's video is about how to carry the MCM extra mini backpack as a fanny pack. So this is the MCM side stud extra mini Stark backpack. This is also known as the baby backpack and the bebe backpack. In the previous video, I did initial impressions / what fits inside the bag. And I also showed how it can be carried. I did some modeling shots. So this backpack can be carried in 5 different ways. It can be carried as a handheld bag with one single strap attached on either side. It can be carried either as a crossbody bag or a side shoulder bag. Obviously, with help of 2 straps, it can be carried as a backpack, and it can be also carried as a fanny pack. So in this video, I will show you how you can carry this as a fanny pack. So right now, the setting of the straps is on the crossbody style or the side shoulder style. So I will remove the straps. So this is actually a single strap. So each strap comes with 2 dog ear clips. Then this is the other strap, and I have adjusted the strap on its shortest setting. So this strap has been adjusted shorter than the other strap. I will quickly show you how to do this. So each strap can be broken down further into 2 parts, and each part of the strap has this stud, one here, one here. So to make it as on the shortest setting, you have to put the longer part of the strap into first hole on the shorter part of the strap. So there you go. So one stud on the first and other one on the 5th. So this is how the strap becomes shorter. And then there are these loops on either side which you can place, loop the strap through to kind of fix the strap. There you go. So now you have to loop the strap through this loop in the bag. So I'm looping it. Just pass it through. That's right. So it has come exactly in the middle of the strap. So this is the bag and this is the strap. Now I will show you how to wear it on your waist. How to use it as a fanny pack. Right. There it is. So you have kind of loosely put the loop there, and then you can adjust the bag on whichever side you want it. You either want it on your sides this way, or you want it in the middle. so you can just move the bag around. I prefer to keep it on my sides. There you go. So that is how the bag looks on the side. So for reference, I'm 5'5", and the MCM Extra Mini as a fanny pack or a bum bag looks like so on me. Also, you can make it a bit stylish, kind of lower it by taking the strap a bit higher, or have it at your waist size, or take it a bit lower. Yeah, I can easily get in and out of the bag when I place it at my lower level of the hip. Let me show you if I can get in and out of the smaller pocket in the front. Yes, I can. And I can also have access to the side pockets. There. So this is how you can wear the MCM Extra Mini backpack as a crossbody bag, as a fanny pack. So do I recommend wearing it as a fanny pack? Well, it depends on you whether you like the style of the fanny pack. Also, whether you like the fanny pack in vertical fashion rather than the horizontal fashion, because most designers are doing fanny packs and they are more kind of horizontal compared to vertical, but it's only possible to carry the backpack, the MCM Extra Mini backpack, in vertical fashion. So if you're comfortable carrying it standing up, and if you're comfortable with the backpack or with the fanny pack jutting a bit out of your body frame, I would certainly recommend this, because other fanny packs kind of lay flat across your body, you know, in horizontal way, and they look part of your body, but this one sticks out. So you need to be comfortable with that. So that was about the use of the bag as a fanny pack. So now I had to show you a couple of things about the bag. Last time, or the previous video, I had said that you can fit a card holder in this front pocket, and as an example, I kind of fit in this envelope which came in with the bag with its documents. So now I have a minor correction. So this is my YSL card holder, and this is the envelope. So you can definitely see the card holder is a lot bigger than the black document envelope. It is taller and it's also wider, though the depth of it is almost the same. So let me show you whether this YSL card holder fits inside the bag. So have a look at this. This is the way it stands. It sticks out, and let me try putting it. So no, the card holder does not fit inside this compartment, or the chain zippered compartment on the front of the bag. So this is the YSL card holder. You can try fitting in some other card holders if you have. You can try out smaller card holders. Maybe the Louis Vuitton card holders might be smaller than this. So let me try putting in the Louis Vuitton clay in the mirror bean in the front pocket and show you. I would not personally keep it in there because it would be kind of difficult to get in and out of the front pocket, and only if I need it to have access to my keys I can put it in there. But I would rather put some hand sanitizers, moist toilets in this compartments, or a hair clip and such. But Louis Vuitton clay fits inside the front compartment. It's a bit difficult to kind of get in and out, but it does fit. And also you can keep your extra cards in here along with your keys. So that was about the card holder. Another thing I wanted to show you is whether this bag fits in a phone. So I am using iPhone 10 or iPhone X, but I'm currently filming on it. So what I will do is I will try putting my older phone inside the bag. So this is iPhone 6s Plus. So this is a plus sized phone, and it is definitely bigger than the iPhone X. So what I did just now was I was kind of comparing the size of the 6s Plus to the iPhone X. It's definitely bigger. So let me just put in the requirements, my day-to-day requirements inside the bag. So what I will do is I will put the mini wallet, the mini pochette in first. This is the Louis Vuitton mini pochette in monogram canvas. So it goes in standing up. Then I will put my full-size wallet. This is the Louis Vuitton Emily wallet in the mirror bean. So it goes in there. Then I put my Ray-Ban sunglasses with its original case. It stands in there. Then the clay, the Louis Vuitton clay in the mirror bean, again in vertical position. And I have a comb. So this is my foldable comb. So as you can see, this is how everything is sitting nicely. Yeah. Now I will try putting the 6s Plus inside. So as you can see, it sits in comfortably inside the bag, and I am able to close the bag. There you go. So if iPhone 6s Plus fits inside the bag, iPhone X will definitely fit inside the bag. I hope you found this video entertaining. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. In case you are planning on buying the MCM Extra Mini Backpack, and also if you are planning on using the Extra Mini Backpack as your fanny pack or waist bag or your bum bag. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.